Hello there, Weatherman from the North 154 here. Tonight, I will be showing you the probability of a potentially historic blizzard slash snowstorm. So, right here, let's get our trusty pointer on. So, right here in this pinkish purplish zone, that's where you can expect a heavy snowfall. I mean, some of the models show up to 110 inches on the highest mountains in the region, and then elsewhere on the lower elevations, even up to 30 inches of snow, if not more, towards here in western Nebraska. That is absolutely insane. Then you have this region of heavy snowfall, which, yes, it has shifted slightly to the north, actually, so that now some lighter snowfall can actually reach as far north as the Wisconsin upper Michigan border into around Duluth, Minnesota, and to around Bismarck, North Dakota. Although some models do show it going up beyond that, but I'm just going based on the average. So heavy snowfall possible here. Then you have in this purple zone the potential for a mixed precipitation event. And then some snow could potentially make it in the zone, could be further to the east depending on the model, but again, averages would have it going to maybe perhaps Virginia at the farthest. And then over here, you have the potential of some heavy mountain snowfall. So I'll show you the models now. So here's the GFS. So it actually shows that as soon, technically it's already in the making. Like it's snowing as we speak in the mountains. And then there's around um what's it called? Well, early afternoon tomorrow. There's already heavy snowfall going on in western Colorado and southern Wyoming. Some snow could still be going on in Arizona. There's a major severe threat, including the potential of strong, violent, long track tornadoes. Right here tomorrow, I will be posting a video on that, and then rain and maybe even some isolated thunderstorms up here, and then the low pressure actually kind of stalls, which is what's going to bring a multi-day severe weather outbreak to the south. Again, tomorrow's going to probably be the most dangerous day of all of them, but all days will be dangerous. Rain ongoing here, but then you'll notice a very wet, heavy snowfall is now occurring in western Nebraska by midday Sunday, and then snow still going on here. And then by very early morning Monday, the rain that had been occurring towards Iowa, southwestern Minnesota, and eastern South Dakota and northeastern Nebraska is now a wet, heavy snowfall. And then rain and some ongoing thunderstorms occurring to the south. And then, that, like I mentioned, some of that snowfall could still make it beyond the heavy snowfall line. So the snow will be nowhere near as heavy as it previously was, but could still be locally heavy at times down here. And then there's that mixed precipitation episode I mentioned earlier, in which could reach as far north as Chicago, but again, it depends on miles. And then it just dies out right there. And then the formation of yet another storm is looking possible afterwards, but that's gonna be something that's gonna be a different story to tell. So here is an early look at snowfall accumulation. So right here is one of the models where it sort of has it breaking apart then re-intensifying, but most still have snow going on here. So 110.6 inches of snow in Colorado in spots. Otherwise, expect mainly up to 20 to 54 inches for the most part, but then only like 4.1 inches on Denver, and then re-intensifying here. So that's the video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you're informed. Stay safe out there.